Nai Disha works as a lifelong partner for families of children with autism, Down syndrome and other developmental disabilities. I am a sibling and have closely seen the journey of my parents over the last many years and that of their friends. What I understand is families are most invested in their child's development. They leave no stone unturned to support their children. But at the same time, these family caregivers are invisible in the disability narrative. So Nai Disha was started with a very simple idea of supporting families, provide better care to their children and be the real change agents in the lives of their children. What started as an idea without a name is now a thriving community of families, a team that includes family caregivers and persons with disabilities with a pan-India reach. Nai Disha has created this support ecosystem for family caregivers which can help them with their various needs. It could be in terms of finding information, guidance, in terms of finding emotional support through peer communities. It could be in terms of finding counseling at the time needed or an access to network of services.
बहुत सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन गैदर कर रही हूँ, नोट भी प्रिपेयर कर रही हूँ, सब मेरी बच्ची को घर पे इम्प्लीमेंट कर रही हूँ, उसमें ग्रोथ भी देख रही हूँ. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी ए पार्ट ऑफ नई दिशा टीम. वी वर लॉस्ट एंड वी केम बैक ऑन ट्रैक because of Nai Disha.
Nai Disha's families are taking in lot of perspective changes, and what happens is, whether it is helpline or whether it is a support group or trainings or whatever it is, so they grow from confusion to clarity.
Over the last decade, our organization has evolved from a service-oriented model to a more community-driven, rights-based approach. We have expanded our reach from urban centers to rural and semi-urban areas. Our focus has shifted to building local capacity, training parents, grassroots workers and professionals using both in-person and digital tools.
It gives a lot of recognition for our kids. At the end of the day, they are respected. They are respected. At the end of the day, as parents, when we sit down at home and realize we are now more settled, we are not in any race. All this is because of, I should thank Nai Disha.
As a parent, the right guidance is everything for us. If we will get a right guidance, we can achieve whatever we want to do, and we can also make our kids more happier, and they can also achieve what they deserve.
What makes Nai Disha unique is its empathetic and non-judgmental approach, and that's how the families make a great bond and they grow together.
If there is one thing I have learned in past 10 years, it is the power of community. How communities come together and support each other. Every child is unique, but so is the family. So is the story of the family caregivers. It is for us to provide that support to the families so that they can overcome these barriers and provide their loved ones with a life of dignity and love.